At COMSATS Vaha campus, the Department of Electrical Engineering is not just teaching circuits, it's electrifying futures. Here, theory connects with practice. Whether it's control systems, power electronics, or embedded technologies, every concept comes alive. Students experiment with real-world tools in high-tech labs, designing the systems that drive industries, cities, and innovations.
In our department, we are offering both undergraduate and graduate courses. For our undergraduate courses, we are offering Bachelor's in Electrical Engineering. All our undergraduate programs are accredited by Pakistan Engineering Council. For graduate programs, we are offering MS in Electrical Engineering and PhD in Electrical Engineering.
We focus on critical thinking and hands-on learning so students can tackle global engineering challenges. From sustainable energy to robotics, students at COMSATS are building smarter, greener technologies. Our graduates light up leading firms across Pakistan and beyond, engineers, innovators, and change makers. Your journey to becoming a future engineer starts here with the right tools, right mentors, and the right environment. Department of Electrical Engineering, COMSATS Vaha campus. Connect, create, and lead the charge.